India and Indonesia are connected by our history, our names, and our shared culture. Beyond the broad brush, the relationship is dotted with examples of exceptional close connection that stands as depictions of innate warmth and kinship between our two peoples. The idea of this episode is to bring alive the rich engagement spanning time of centuries-old craft from India, paper mache, with the touch of stunning painting ornaments from Batuan village in Bali. This is Batuan Temple, one of Bali's most well-known tourist destinations. Sightseers know this spot as one of the popular sanctuaries. Yet for art aficionado individuals, they are aware that this spot is additionally renowned for Batuan paintings. They are one of the Balinese cultural heritages which are unique and beautiful.
It is centuries-old craft. In India, there are various variants of the craft that can be traced to its origin region like Kashmir, Punjab and Bihar, each having their own appeal and splendor. One of the most well-known paper mache in India comes from Bihar region. These paper mache are decorated with Madhubani painting and considered as a great recycle craft of Bihar. The paper mache technique of using paper pulp for making decorative objects, generally in the form of vases, bowls or cups, boxes, trays, bases of lamps and many other small objects. These are made in home and workshop. In Bihar, it was used for the preparation of masks for different dance forms. To present practice, we use rough paper or old newspaper that have been shredded and then soaked in water for at least 2 to 3 hours. Then you can use a blender to get better results. Drain the water from the paper pulp. Mix together with glue in a large mixing bowl until well combined like smooth dough. To make the desired shape, you can use existing bowls, cup, plates and start shaping with the paste that has already been prepared. Use plastic in between the paste and the object to prevent them from sticking together while drying. Dry your artwork under the sunshine for 2 to 3 days and it will be ready.
Ada beberapa pelukis Batuan di desa Batuan. Kami membentuk sekelompok kecil organisasi yang bernama Batur Ulangun. Tujuannya tiada lain untuk pelestarian dan pewarisan seni lukis gaya Batuan. Kami bekerja sama dengan kantor desa dan sekolah. Tujuannya untuk pelestarian lukis Batuan agar anak-anak bisa melukis seterusnya. Anak-anak itu belajar dari teknik dasar lukis Batuan dan dilanjutkan transfer ilmu yang bernama ornamen-ornamen. Itu awal daripada anak untuk mengenal daripada lukis Batuan itu sendiri. Secara umum, teknik Batuan menganut detail-detail kecil di dalam lukisan. Kami juga menggunakan warna-warna gelap yang menunjukkan keunikan lukisan batuan.
Nanti jam udah jangan bapak nih yang masih.
Om Swastiastu anak-anak.
Swastiastu, Pak.
Sudah coba sekarang lanjutkan kerja yang untuk kemarin. Ini adalah murid-murid saya. Mereka adalah siswa dari 4 sekolah dasar di sekitar Batuan. Mereka datang ke sini 2 kali dalam seminggu untuk belajar melukis, khususnya melukis batuan.
Mr. Malik is making his paintings here in Bali Dangin. The ornaments behind the Bali are inspired from Mahabharata story. On the left is a painting of Swarga Rohana Parwa. It is the last chapter of Astadasa Parwa, which tells the ending line of Panca Pandawa in epic Mahabharata story. As you can see, this painting represents the story where Yudhishthira and his brothers reach Moksa.
Lukisan Bali, tradisi batuan, terinspirasi dari banyak cerita Tanri, Rajapala, Calonarang, dan Mahabharata Ramayana. Seperti diketahui, seni lukis Bali biasanya memiliki tema-tema besar yang sama, dharma melawan adharma, yang baik melawan yang jahat. Itu sebabnya cerita Mahabharata dan Ramayana sangat populer dalam seni lukis Bali gaya batuan.
This is a compelling visual narrative of 2 nations sharing a shared past and a common heritage that has led us to the present day. We attempt to create the harmony of discovery between Indonesians and Indians upon understanding that we share so much in common. We hope this episode will capture our imagination with enthusiasm to move us together and leave a positive trail in our world.